rear wiper and arm replacement.
Alright, so on this 4Runner, we're going to change the rear wiper blade. How I do it is I'll turn my wiper on intermittent, which is INT right here. And then as soon as the wiper blade comes down, I'll turn the car off. So I'll show you what I mean. Put on intermittent. Right there. I'll take my key out and go change the wiper blade.
Now when it's down, you basically lift it up very gently, grab the bottom of the blade and pull up gently and kind of wiggle it at the same time, and you could just kind of wiggle it off. And that's pretty much how to get the blade off. Here's my new one. This is my part number. Looks like this. This is from Toyota, the dealer. I recommend getting it from them if you can, but aftermarket should be fine. You want to just tilt this upwards and then just clip it into place. So there's like a little spot for a bar, and then you get it on there. Now once this is on, that's how you do it. I'm going to show you how to replace the arm in case the arm breaks. Basically, when I first got this, the arm was broken. So you're going to need a 10mm wrench. It's a 10mm. We're just going to squeeze it up here. If you have a gear wrench, that's the one that can just go back and forth on its own, is good. But you could do it with a regular wrench. You're just going to slide our 10mm up here, loosen that nut, and then lift it up off that nut. Pretty much just like this. Sorry, my chicken wants to chime in. So get this 10mm nut off. Once you break it loose, you can kind of get it off with your fingers. Just reach in there with 2 fingers, maybe with both your hands. Just get that nut off. All right, so once that's off, you can kind of just gently wiggle this arm up, and it'll come off this little stud. I'm assuming they'll be stubborn in the future when these cars become old, so just, you know, work it, maybe spray it with some grease if it's being stubborn, and then you just kind of wiggle it out and snake it out. So once that's off, we're going to get our new arm. Again, keep your nut. Save that. Here's my arm. It's from the dealer. Here's my part number. You could look up this part number if you need to. I recommend getting it from the dealer, but you could probably get it aftermarket if you need to. It just comes like a full arm. And you don't need to replace this if you're just doing your blade. This one was broke when I got it, so I had to get a new one. So I just put it all the way to the resting position that it was on, and I'll put it over the stud, and then I'll just put the nut on, and then I'll let the nut push the arm down onto the stud. I'm not going to worry about pushing it so much down myself. Just get the nut get the nut snug. Try not to break it. Seems like this could break easy if you try to, you know, rage tighten it. So just get it snug and you should be good. And then you could put your blade back on, how I showed you in the beginning. Here's my part number for the blade. Oh, sorry. This is the part number for the blade, and here's what it looks like. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next video.